Hi, it's Pat Harmon at Champ BMW. Here's a video of that 65 T-Bird that you inquired about. As you can see from this picture, this is the back end. The paint looks like it's in pretty nice condition. Here's a look down the side here. Give you a quick look inside. Pretty nice condition overall, I'd say. They do have the hood up on it because of the work they're doing to the power steering. And give you a look at the top on it as well. Looks like it's in really nice shape as well. There you have it. Give me a call for more information, 303-810-0446.